Good morning from the headquarters of the Catholic Health Association of India in Secunderabad. It's my privilege to speak to you as you begin the process of a strategic plan in your region. I should excuse myself because I am unable to come over to your region, although I would have loved to. The strategic planning process, which we started a year ago, has today come to the region. The reason for us to relook at our mission, our vision, and the way we function is forced by both external and internal reasons. As most of us know, that today we are facing serious challenges in the healthcare delivery through our own institutions. I am hopeful that this strategic planning meeting will enable all of us to relook the very mission for which we have committed ourselves through the Ministry of Healthcare. The strategic plan is a plan that you develop for your region through the member institutions and the diocesan units. The mission is what Jesus Christ Himself has given us, the mission of healing. And when we understand we are just instruments of this mission, I think everything else will fall in place. The motto of the Catholic Health Association of India is the love of Christ that compels us. I am sure that everyone gathered here is compelled by the love of Christ and nothing else. During this whole process of the strategic plan, your president as well as your director or the secretary was part of the national planning group, and today you have among you two facilitators who would try to guide you in this process. I am sure that at the end of these 2 days you will come up with various issues that needs to be tackled, and importantly enough, we should know that the issues that needs to be tackled have a solution within each one of you, and the resources that we need are among you. It is a question of us trying to work together. All this strategic planning process, let me tell you that what needs to be kept in mind is that if we do not stand together, the mission of healing, the mission of Jesus Christ is going to be defeated. Now it is a time for all of us to stand together, not only the Catholic Health Association of India, but everyone who is going to be part of this mission. So therefore, we have expanded this horizon of the Catholic Health Association of India to the whole Christian network. I should be happy to say that the bishops of the Health Commission, both at the national level and from the regions, have endorsed this strategic planning process. Let me take this opportunity to thank Father Matthew Abraham, the Secretary for CBCI Commission for Health, the Sister Doctors Forum, the Catholic Nurses Guild of India, Christian Medical Association of India, EHA, and in a very special way I would like to place on record the support of the CBCI card as well as Caritas of India for organizing these meetings. May God bless you and have a fruitful discussion.